Namaste and very warm good morning to all of you. Accounting is totally concerned to different financial transactions or activities because accounting represent the data, information or transactions. On the basis of these different financial transactions, ultimately business can make decision about future. Because accounting ultimately calculate net profit or net loss and to find out financial position. Instead of these different financial transactions or activities, there are different qualitative information of accounting, not only quantitative, because accounting simply quantitative data information which are measured in terms of money or money's worth are only recorded. Instead of this, there are different qualitative features of accounting information. These are also very important for decision making of different stakeholders or users who are directly or indirectly concerned to business organizations and accounting process. So there are different types of qualitative features of accounting information. The first one is understandability. Yeah, already I mentioned there are so many stakeholders of this business or accounting process who are directly or indirectly concerned to or related to different transactions, different activities, different financial statement of the company. So accounting information must be understandable by different stakeholders, easily understandable. There is no any hidden and unseen information. All the informations must be understandable, transparent, easily. All stakeholders must be understand properly because all the information must be useful, reliable, relevance, because information are very important for making decision for future. Second one is relevance. All the information must be relevant, error-free, quickly. All the rules and regulations of accounting should be mentioned. On the basis of these standard of accounting, we can make decision about future easily. So then next one is reliability. Must be reliable, must be useful, faithful, trustworthiness. Data must be trustworthiness, verifiability of different accounting standards. Then next one is comparability. The data, the information must be compared to different past years history, past years financial statement and data, as well as all the data are very important for comparing to different other enterprises, different other institutions of competitors. Then only we can compete. On the basis of comparability, we can compare all the activities, all the information, all the data with different other institutions, enterprises. And on the basis of these data and information, only we can make decision for the future. So comparability is the very important qualitative features of accounting information. The next one is consistency. Every year, same accounting standards, same accounting rules and regulations must be followed by different year financial statement. If we use different standard in different years, then that is not we call consistency. So next one is materiality. Yeah, it is important one because we need different types of assets in the business. So materiality means it is a kind of magnitude of different financial transactions or data. There are different types of assets, current assets and fixed assets. On the basis of durability or time, we can differentiate which one is fixed and which one is current. So if we purchase huge value, more value fixed assets, that must be depreciated, that must be recorded properly, systematically. If we purchase a stapler and small assets which have more than 1 year life, such small assets may not be differentiated in decision makings. There may write off as expenses, or there may use as assets for longer period of time. Such different assets are very material and immaterial, that we have to distinguish on the basis of value and basis of written off, on the basis of depreciation. So materiality is a very important concept, assumptions of accounting, and it is qualitative feature of accounting information as well. Then next one is conservatism. Yeah, accounting follow the different rules, regulations, and systems of accounting standard. Sometimes there may a kind of bias. There are different losses and expenses. Such losses and expenses are anticipated by provision, but the incomes which we will receive or earn after some times, such incomes may not be anticipated provision. That means provision for anything, provision for doubtful debts, provision for income tax, provision for depreciation, expenses को चाहिँ provision हुन्छ, but income को चाहिँ provision हुँदैन. त्यसैले it is a very conservative accounting system. Next one is cost benefit analysis or cost benefit relation. Yeah, on the basis of cost, we have to realize the benefit. If there is no benefit, no investment. So on the basis of investment, there must be benefits, and cost benefit relationship is the very important part. Every factor, every terminologies, every activities we have to compare to income and expenses. If we spend more and more money and then there is no return, that is in vain, worthless. So we have to compare cost and benefit analysis, then ultimately result will be better. So there are different qualitative features of accounting information. These are very important for decision-making process. We know that all the information are very important for decision-making. Decision is always based on past information, past history, and past data. So simply accounting is a language of business. I already mentioned here. Accounting is a language of business. It exchanges different financial statement, different financial information to our different users or stakeholders for decision making. So instead of this factor, there are different qualitative aspects that I mentioned. Again, in conclusion, there are different accounting systems which are based on accounting standards. These are quantitative facts. So qualitative, understandable. Accounting must be understandable. Accounting must be relevance. Accounting must be reliability. Accounting must be comparability. Accounting must be consistency. Accounting must be materiality. Accounting must be conservatism. And accounting must be cost-benefit relationship and cost-benefit analysis. So this discussion is very important for bachelor's level students of management, +2 level students of management. So listen, watch, like, comments. Thank you very much.